Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have Jmeter and Java ready, so start by creating a thread group and setting realistic users. Next, add an HTTP request defaults for shared values. Now insert the Throughput Controller, choose %execution or total executions, and set the numeric target. Once done, scope one or more samplers under the controller. Make sure controller order and placement match desired flow, because execution depends on element hierarchy and chosen mode. You now fine-tune behavior. Pick %executions when you want a ratio of samplers to run versus skip, or total executions for exact counts. Then adjust controller fields. Use integer % or absolute counts and verify calculate scope. Once configured, pair it with a constant throughput timer when you need steady requests per minute. Set timer to target throughput and choose all threads or this thread only. Make sure test iterations and ramp up won't conflict with controller targets. You're ready to validate. Run the test in non-GUI mode to avoid client-side limits, then collect results with a backend listener or JTL file. Once the run completes, compare achieved throughput to targets and inspect sample timestamps. If the controller misses targets, increase threads, reduce think time, or adjust timers. Make sure the server isn't the bottleneck. One key troubleshooting tip: if rates are low, enable more threads and rerun in non-GUI mode. This often reveals whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.